Quick question. Thinking face, have you ever struggled with keeping your kitchen organized while trying to find the right knife when you need it? Imagine having all your knives neatly displayed, easily accessible, and safe from accidents, all while saving counter space. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, stay tuned, because in today's video, we're showcasing some of the best magnetic knife holders and blocks that not only help you organize your kitchen but also elevate its style and functionality. From sleek wall-mounted strips to double-sided rotating blocks, these kitchen essentials offer powerful magnetic holds, modern designs, and space-saving solutions. Whether you're tired of digging through crowded drawers or want a more efficient way to store your knives, we've got the perfect options for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which magnetic knife holder will take your kitchen organization to the next level. Let's dive in. The magnetic knife block without knives is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized while maintaining easy access to their cutlery. This sleek and modern knife holder features strong enhanced magnets, ensuring your knives stay securely in place, ready for use whenever you need them. Unlike traditional knife blocks, this magnetic stand doesn't take up counter space or require specific slots for each knife. The universal design means you can store a variety of knives, scissors, or even tools, making it perfect for anyone with a diverse kitchen collection. The large organizer accommodates multiple knives, keeping them neatly arranged and easily accessible, all while reducing clutter. Whether you're working in a small kitchen or looking for an efficient way to store your knives, this magnetic knife block offers a safe, space-saving, and stylish solution to keep your kitchen tools organized and within reach. With its sturdy construction, this knife holder is not only functional but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. The magnetic knife block without knives is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized while maintaining easy access to their cutlery. This sleek and modern knife holder features strong enhanced magnets, ensuring your knives stay securely in place, ready for use whenever you need them. Unlike traditional knife blocks, this magnetic stand doesn't take up counter space or require specific slots for each knife. The universal design means you can store a variety of knives, scissors, or even tools, making it perfect for anyone with a diverse kitchen collection. The large organizer accommodates multiple knives, keeping them neatly arranged and easily accessible, all while reducing clutter. Whether you're working in a small kitchen or looking for an efficient way to store your knives, this magnetic knife block offers a safe, space-saving, and stylish solution to keep your kitchen tools organized and within reach. With its sturdy construction, this knife holder is not only functional but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. The extra-large magnetic knife block, 14 by 10 inches, is the ultimate kitchen organizer, designed for those who need a sturdy and spacious solution to store their knives. This innovative knife holder features double-sided magnetic strips, ensuring a secure hold for up to 15 knives of various sizes, from small paring knives to large chef's knives. The included knife sharpener adds extra value by allowing you to keep your knives in top condition, ensuring they stay sharp and ready to use whenever you need them. Built with acrylic panels, the block is not only durable but also sleek, offering a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. One of its standout features is the cutting board slot, allowing you to conveniently store and access your cutting board while keeping everything in one organized space. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this knife block offers ample storage and easy access to your knives, combining practicality with style. Its sturdy build guarantees that it can withstand daily use, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. The Lineroso 5 PCS knife set with magnetic knife strip is the perfect addition to any kitchen, designed to elevate your cooking experience with its high-quality performance and sleek design. This set includes 5 essential kitchen knives, each made from sharp high-carbon stainless steel, perfect for cutting, chopping, and slicing a variety of ingredients with ease. The knives are crafted to offer precision and durability, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and reliable performance. The magnetic knife holder allows for easy storage and quick access to your knives, keeping your kitchen organized and safe. The magnetic knife strip can be mounted on the wall, freeing up counter space and adding a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this knife set offers both functionality and style, making it a must-have for those who value efficiency and organization in their kitchen. With its sleek design, sharp blades, and convenient magnetic holder, the Lineroso knife set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking tools and keep their kitchen in top shape. The Resafi wooden magnetic knife block is a sleek, innovative, and space-saving solution for organizing your kitchen knives. This 360 degrees double-sided knife board features a strong magnetic knife strip, allowing you to store your knives securely while keeping them easily accessible. With its universal design, it can hold a variety of knives, from small paring knives to larger chef's knives, providing versatility for all your kitchen needs. The magnetic stand ensures that your knives stay securely in place, preventing any accidental slips or falls, while also offering a clean, modern aesthetic to complement any kitchen decor. The wooden finish adds a touch of elegance, making it not just a functional storage solution but also a stylish addition to your countertop. The 360 degrees rotating feature means you can access your knives from any angle, ensuring ultimate convenience and efficiency. If you're looking for a durable, space-saving, and sophisticated knife holder that keeps your knives organized and easy to reach, the Resafe wooden magnetic knife block is the perfect choice for any home cook or professional chef. And that wraps up today's look at some of the best magnetic knife holders and blocks to keep your kitchen organized, stylish, and efficient. Whether you're dealing with limited counter space or just want a safer, more accessible way to store your knives, these options have got you covered. From wall-mounted strips like the 24-inch stainless steel model that holds everything from knives to tools, to the Resafe wooden knife block with its 360 degrees rotating design for easy access from any angle. Each of these products offers something unique for every kitchen. Not to mention, the Lineroso 5-piece knife set and extra-large magnetic knife block come with built-in features like knife sharpeners and extra storage for cutting boards, helping you not only keep your kitchen tidy but also maintain your knives in top condition. If you're ready to take your kitchen organization to the next level and add a touch of sophistication, these magnetic knife holders are a must-have. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future kitchen essentials reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.